are going to discuss an important matter or important subject, that is river erosion or the greed of the mighty rivers. The greed of the mighty rivers. Do you know the Bengali meaning of the phrase or the title? Who can say the meaning? The greed. Greed means avarice. Do you know the meaning of the phrase greed? And the total meaning, the greed of the mighty rivers? Yes, Bob Simon would like to say possibly. Very good. প্রমত্তা নদীগুলির করালো গ্রাস, অর্থাৎ ধ্বংসাবশেষ। প্রমত্তা নদীগুলির ধ্বংসলীলা বা ধ্বংসযজ্ঞ আর প্রমত্তা নদীগুলির করালো গ্রাস বা খাওয়া। ওকে, ফাইন। Sit down, please. Now, you stand up, please. Does river erosion do any kind of harm to us? এই নদী ভাঙন কি আমাদের কোনো ক্ষতি করে? Yes sir, very good. Yes, one saying. At least mention one point, please. One saying yes, at least one. Homeless. That means river erosion makes hundreds and thousands of people homeless. Fine. Another one. Mention another point, please. Who want to say something? Yes. Stand up. Yes. One side. Anybody, stand up, please. And mention the point. Trees are uprooted. গাছপালা সব উঠে যায়। Now another point. Sit down please. Another point. Please stand up. Cattle are washed away. গবাদি পশুগুলি ভাসিয়ে নিয়ে চলে যায়, just like flood. গবাদি পশুগুলি ভাসিয়ে নিয়ে চলে যায়। Number 4, some people become beggars. কিছু মানুষ একদম নিঃস্ব হয়ে যায়। Some people become mendicant or beggar, and because they don't have anything to spare rest. পরবর্তীতে ওদের আর ব্যয় করার মতো কিছুই থাকে না, because they are cattle, home, their land, property, everything goes under water. সবকিছু জলের নিচে চলে যায়। Now, educational institutions are destroyed. শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান ধ্বংস হয়ে যায়। If you have a look at the TV screens every day, when the news are broadcast, you see that hundreds and thousands of educational institutions have gone under water because of river erosion. Doesn't it? Yes, actually so. Now, crops are lost. Crops are lost or destroyed. Crops are destroyed. ফসল ধ্বংস হয়ে যায়। That means the fields of crops go under water or goes into the river. Now, we are to take help from foreign countries. As a result, we have to take help from foreign countries. যার ফলশ্রুতিতে আমাদেরকে কি করতে হয়? বহির্বিশ্ব থেকে সাহায্য সহযোগিতা গ্রহণ করতে হয়। So, the river erosion is never something beneficial to us. সুতরাং নদী ভাঙন আমাদের জন্য কোনো অবস্থাতে মঙ্গলজনক কিছু না। Now, I would like to ask you a question. Can you say how many people become homeless every year because of river erosion? নদী ভাঙনের কারণে অন্তত কত মানুষ প্রতি বছর গৃহহীন হয়ে যায়, আশ্রয়হীন হয়ে যায়? Who can say? Anybody stand up, please. At least
এইটা
Because of river erosion, at least 1 lakh people become homeless every year. At least 1 lakh people become because at least every year 1 lakh people become homeless. It is not so hot because as it is not the month of April, May or June. This is the month of September, and we are going to enter into the month of October very soon. Stop. Hi, bye.
দেখি ছয় মিনিট তেল দিছি
We know that at least 1 lakh people become homeless every year because of river erosion. নদী ভাঙনের কারণে আমাদের প্রতি বছর প্রায় 1 লাখ মানুষ at least 1 lakh people become homeless or houseless. They don't find any house. They go to the other side of the river or other places and they live like rootless people of the society. In Bengali, সমাজে ছিন্নমূল মানুষের মতো তারা কোনো রকমের সেখানে বসবাস করে। It is the reality of the people, those who are hit by river erosion. Okay, so the government should take all kinds of steps or necessary steps so that river erosion can be stopped at any cost, just to save the lives and properties of the people, of ordinary people, those who are living under beside the big rivers. Okay, thank you. Hope you will learn more in the next class. I would like to give you a very short homework.
Last minute video करके
HW homework. A dialogue on river erosion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you also. Thank you also.